Let's start with the recipe. First we will take 1.5 cups of maida, make a well in the center and add 1 cup of yeast mixture. This is the proved yeast. 2 tablespoons of milk powder and mix it and make a dough. Just combine it and add it to your countertop. This is well combined and add it to your counter. We need to make a soft dough, so you can add more water if you need. I will also add some more water. Now knead it for 20 to 25 minutes to get the perfect dough. After 25 minutes your dough will look like this. After pinching it, the dough will come out once again. That means the dough is perfect. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil or any vegetable oil. Now knead the dough for more 1 to 2 minutes so that oil is well combined. After kneading it, tuck your dough so that it is in perfect round shape. In the same bowl in which we had taken the maida, add the oil so that we can proof the dough. Add the dough into the bowl. Grease it perfectly and cover it with a cling wrap or a plate and let it ferment for 2 hours, minimum 1 hour. After 2 hours, your dough will double in size. Add the cornmeal or Makki ka atta, spread it and punch it to take out the excess air. After punching it, take it out in the countertop and knead it for more 3 to 4 minutes. Then divide the dough so that we can make the roti with the 1/4 part of the dough, and we could place it above the dough of pizza. So today we are making cheesiest pizza, so it is necessary. In the reference of your pizza screen, roll your dough. This chapati should be very thin. With the reference of your pizza screen, place your roti onto the pizza screen and cut it with a knife. Take out the excess dough. Now roast the roti onto the tawa. The roti should be half done, not completely cooked. It is cooked from one side only and not the other side. Take your rest of the dough, knead it for 1 minute, add the cornmeal or Makki ka atta and roll your dough into the desired shape or with the reference of your pizza screen. You can use your hands to roll the dough or a roller pin also. With the reference of a pizza screen, you can adjust the size of the pizza. Here I am using the cheese spread for the cheese burst effect into the pizza. I am using the market one, which is of Go company. Add it between 2 to 3 tablespoons and spread it all around the pizza, leaving 1 inch from every side. Apply some water so that we can stick the roti onto it or the tortilla. Take your roti and stick it to the pizza dough, rolled pizza dough. After sticking it, add the pizza sauce onto it, 2 to 3 tablespoons. If you like it more, you can add more. Add the pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese, whichever you have in hand. Add your favorite toppings. I am using some baby corn, red capsicum, green capsicum, onions and jalapenos. You can also add some paneer, black olives or any other topping you like. Add some more cheese on top so that all the veggies are covered with the cheese. Apply some oil on the edges so that we get a perfect crust. Now bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 13 to 15 minutes. Here is your cheese burst pizza ready. It is perfectly baked, the toppings are perfectly cooked. Now we will slice it with a pizza cutter. The pizza is looking very appetizing, the dough is perfectly cooked. And cheese is also oozing out perfectly. So this is the perfect recipe of a cheese burst pizza. So if you like the video and the recipe, then give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends and family, also subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Please also follow me on the Facebook page named as Sidhu Can Cook. I upload a video every week on it. Thanks for watching, goodbye and happy cooking.